In this TaxSlayer Pro training video, we'll discuss downloading updates in the 2016 version of the TaxSlayer Pro desktop software. When you download and install the latest version of the TaxSlayer desktop software in mid-November or early December, the only part of the program that you will receive is the Federal 1040 package, no states, and no business package. The reason we release only the Federal 1040 is so that you can set up your office network if you have one, enter practice returns, and become familiar with the general operation of the software. Keep in mind that we get the Federal 1040 package to you as quickly as we possibly can, and as we move toward the opening of tax season, you'll be given the opportunity to download and install state programs as they become available, as well as the ability to download the TaxSlayer business package for corporate, partnership, and estate returns. So let's take a look at the Updates menu from the opening screen and go through the procedure for downloading and installing program updates. We're here at the main menu, or the opening screen as some call it, and from here I'll select option number 10, Updates. At the Internet Update Utility main menu, I have the option to download and install updates to the program. When I select this option, I can easily see the updates that I may need to download and install that are indicated by red. I have the choice to check all of the updates, or simply select those which I need at the moment. To install an individual update, simply left-click once on the update, and then left-click the download button. The update will download, and you'll be taken through the installation steps. And so I see now my update has switched from red to white, or a white background, indicating that the update has been installed. While here at the Updates menu, I can also download and install the TaxSlayer Business package when it becomes available by selecting the Business tab to bring it forward, and then selecting the Business package installation along with any business states that I may need. Back at the Internet Update Utility main menu, let's look at the option to configure updates. This screen is called the Update Manager. Here I can select which updates are downloaded automatically or pushed to my computer each day as I open the program. Because the program has recognized that my tax office is in Georgia, the Georgia update has been automatically selected. Because South Carolina is just across the river, I'll select the South Carolina State update to be pushed automatically to my computer each day as well. One other point, if it's early in the tax season and I'm preparing a client's return, how would I know when I choose the state return whether or not I've downloaded the state program that I need for this client? Well, in the client's 1040 screen, if I select option number 10, State Return, click the OK for the add backs or subtractions, and select the state return that I need for my client, and click the OK button, the program will tell me that I have not installed this state. I'll need to exit the return to the main menu, and select option 10, Updates, to download and install the state that I need for this particular client. We want to thank you for watching the TaxSlayer Pro tutorial video downloading updates for the 2016 desktop version of the software.